Hey there! Welcome to this guide on how to make money with cryptocurrency. The world of crypto can be confusing and overwhelming at first, but with the right approach, you can potentially earn significant returns. In the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through several strategies for making money in the crypto space. So let's dive right in. Before we talk about how to make money, let's quickly cover the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. The most famous crypto asset is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with its own purpose and potential for growth. Unlike traditional investments like stocks, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by a central authority like a bank or government. Instead, they run on blockchain technology, a digital ledger that records all transactions. So, to start making money, you'll first need to understand the key types of investments in the crypto space. The first and simplest strategy is buying and holding, or as crypto enthusiasts like to call it, HODLing. This strategy is all about purchasing cryptocurrency and holding on to it for the long term, with the expectation that its value will increase over time. For example, if you bought Bitcoin back in 2010 when it was worth just a few cents and you held on to it, you'd be sitting on a small fortune today. Now, it's not always that simple. Crypto markets are volatile and prices can go up and down quickly, so it's important to be prepared for the ride. Here's how you can get started with buying and holding. 1. Choose a reputable exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. 2. Buy your desired cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others. 3. Store it securely in a wallet, either on the exchange or in a hardware wallet for extra safety. Pro tip: only invest what you're willing to lose. Cryptocurrency can be unpredictable. Next, let's talk about trading cryptocurrency. Trading involves buying and selling coins based on market trends and price fluctuations. There are two main types of trading: short-term trading and long-term trading. Short-term trading is all about taking advantage of daily or weekly price movements. Traders use technical analysis, patterns, charts, and indicators to predict where prices are headed. Long-term trading, or swing trading, involves holding a position for weeks or months, capitalizing on broader market trends. If you're thinking about trading, here's how to get started. 1. Choose an exchange with a good reputation and low fees. 2. Learn how to read charts and understand key indicators like moving averages and the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. 3. Practice using a demo account before risking real money. Pro tip: crypto markets are highly volatile, so it's important to keep your emotions in check and avoid trading with money you can't afford to lose. Another way to make money in crypto is through staking. Staking involves locking up a certain amount of cryptocurrency to support the network and validate transactions. In return, you earn rewards, usually in the form of more cryptocurrency. This is like earning interest on a savings account, but instead of traditional money, you're earning crypto. Here's how staking works. 1. You buy a cryptocurrency that supports staking, like Ethereum 2.0. 2. You stake your coins on a platform that supports staking, like Binance. 3. You earn rewards, which can be compounded over time. Pro tip: before staking, make sure to research the staking rewards and the lockup period. You may not be able to access your coins for a set time, and staking rewards can vary. For those who want to take their passive income game a step further, yield farming and liquidity mining are advanced strategies to consider. These involve providing liquidity to decentralized finance, or DeFi, platforms in exchange for interest and rewards. Here's how it works. 1. You supply a pair of cryptocurrencies, like ETH and USDT, to a decentralized exchange or lending protocol. 2. In return, you earn transaction fees or interest paid in crypto. 3. Some platforms even offer governance tokens as rewards, which gives you voting rights within the ecosystem. While yield farming can be very profitable, it comes with higher risks, including impermanent loss, where the value of your staked assets may decrease compared to holding them individually. Pro tip: only participate in yield farming on reputable DeFi platforms and understand the risks before you dive in. Now, let's talk about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. These are unique digital assets, often related to art, music, gaming, or even virtual real estate. You can make money with NFTs by buying them at a low price and selling them at a higher price. Here's how you can make money with NFTs. 1. Browse NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation to find promising projects. 2. Purchase NFTs that you believe have potential value, whether it's for their artistic qualities or their utility in virtual worlds or games. 3. Wait for the value to increase, then sell them for a profit. Pro tip: NFTs are highly speculative. Do thorough research before buying. Look for projects with strong communities and real utility. Of course, making money with crypto isn't without risks. The crypto market is volatile and can be affected by regulation, security issues, and market sentiment. Always be cautious and remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use secure wallets, enable two-factor authentication for exchanges, and be wary of scams. Always double-check your sources and be skeptical of promises of guaranteed returns. So, there you have it. Several ways to make money with cryptocurrency, from buying and holding to more advanced strategies like staking and yield farming. Remember, the crypto world moves quickly, so stay informed and always approach your investments with caution. Happy investing!